Next, trigonometry ratios, identity 3. Prove that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Now, in right angle triangle, same right angle triangle, adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse, its name OMP, theta is this side, so opposite side and adjacent side. Now, in right angle triangle, OMP, we have OM by PM, OM by MP, adjacent side by opposite side. So, this one is cot theta. Then, hypotenuse by adjacent side, hypotenuse by opposite side, cosecant theta. So, hypotenuse OP by MP is cosecant theta. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, OM square MP square plus MP square plus OM square equal to OP square. Dividing both sides, OP square, dividing each term on both sides, MP square. MP is not equal to 0. So, now MP square by MP square plus OM square by MP square equal to OP square by MP square. We write it. Next step, MP by MP the whole square plus OM square OM by MP the whole square equal to OP by MP the whole square. Now, this one is 1 square plus cot theta square equal to cosecant theta square. Its answer is 1 square 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. This is the answer. Proof. That's all. Once again, identity 3, trigonometry ratios. Now prove that 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta in right angle triangle OM by MP is cot theta, OP by OP by MP is cosecant theta. At opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side cosecant theta by Pythagoras theorem. MP square plus OM square equal to OP square. Dividing both sides MP square. So MP square by MP square plus OM square by MP square equal to OP square by MP square. Given MP by MP the whole square plus OM by MP the whole square equal to OP by MP the whole square. Now 1 square plus cot theta the whole square equal to cosecant theta the whole square. This one is 1 square. This cot theta whole square. This one is cosecant theta whole square. Now the answer is 1 square 1 cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. That is the proof that same answer. That's all.